What's Ayurvedic Indian medicine? Indian historical culture used a lot of herbs, a lot of supplements, similar to the Chinese herbal medicine. And it's called the sugar blocker. If you do the actual research and look at the science and the evidence with gymnema, what it does, it looks enough on a molecular level, it looks enough like sugar. There are sugar receptors in our palate, mostly in the back of our tongue, the back of our palate. If you eat some gymnema sylvestre, it will lock on to those sweets receptors, those sugar receptors. And it's very interesting. Now, unfortunately, most gymnema that you get at the store is a pill, and people think, well, that's the way to take it. It does help. You know, there are internal sugar receptors as well, and it blocks those as well. But I prefer to take the powder. I mean, you can get big packages of powder. While I was doing my awful tasting smoothie every day, the gymnema sylvestre powder was part of it. Get some of that powder sometime. Or if you don't want to get the powder, just get some gymnema sylvestre capsules, crush them in your mouth. It'll taste bad. But what's interesting is drink something or taste something sweet before that. Get the powder, the gymnema in your mouth, swish it around a little bit, bite on the gymnema capsule, and then take that sweet again. And you'll see what the Ayurvedics discovered thousands of years ago. It is the sugar destroyer, sugar blocker. Your taste buds they don't taste that sweet anymore. Winning is exciting, but you know what? What you're winning matters even more. How about the chance to win another couple of decades of life, healthy life, understanding the cause of heart attack, stroke, dementia, the major killers and disablers, and how to prevent those. You can win these courses to do just that. How do you do that? Click the link below, watch the video, answer the questions, and the more you answer right, the better your chances of winning. Give it a try. Win things like free courses that can save your life.